welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm showing you guys what I got in the Pinch Me. Pinch Me is a site that you guys can go to. You can join. It is free to join. What you guys do is just put some information in there. I am going to give you a heads up. They do give you a lot of junk mail, so I usually send... I have two emails. I have my normal email and I have a junk email for all the crap that I sign up for. I just let it send it to that. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I ran up and down the stairs. But Pinch Me is a site where they send you free samples. They usually do Pinch Me Tuesday. Usually sometime in the mid-afternoon or early middle afternoon. They have it where you guys can get samples. Not everybody qualifies for it, but majority of you guys do. I've also had it where I don't qualify for it and they send me magazines. I have so many free magazine subscriptions, it's crazy, but I love getting Pinch Me. I've been getting this for years. This is one reason why I started doing YouTube videos, to show people what I got for free. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. Now, I've been getting a lot of boxes lately. And that's cool. And what happens is they send you boxes with stuff in it, and then they want you to rate that stuff. So that's all you guys have to do. Sometimes you don't do it. It's not a big deal. I forgot to do it many times. Whatever, but they still continue sending me boxes. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So the first thing we got is the Next Care waterproof Band-Aids. It looks like I got 2 Band-Aids, plus they sent me a 50% off coupon that doesn't expire till 2019. So it's always great to have Band-Aids. I always need to have Band-Aids on me because my son is always being a klutz and falling down. I ended up getting the Ava NYC. It's a $10 off coupon for a tool. Minimum purchase is $30. So as you guys see, I probably won't. That is weird. Okay, that's dumb. They have a coupon for $3 off, but it has to be a product of $8 or more. So they have a coupon for this side, and they have it on the same side. That is stupid. Lame. One's for Target, one's for Ulta. Okay, not going to use that coupon. I'm not a big fan of that product. Anyways, next thing I also got is a Graze Box. Now, I've done one of these boxes before. You can get a free box. I might try it again sometime. I was not a big fan of it. I got this like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I was just not a big fan of it. So they give you a lot of junk that you guys don't need. But here we got a little sample of Skittles. These are the Sweet Heat Skittles. Sizzling Strawberry, Blazing Mango, Lemon Spark, Flamin' Orange, and Fiery Watermelon. So they are hot Skittles. So that's pretty cool. This is the first time I got like Skittles. You know, it's kind of cute. Here we got real mayonnaise. So I got a real sample of mayonnaise. This is great for traveling. I know. Let's just keep a bag of mayonnaise in your purse because you never know when you're going to need some mayonnaise. Yeah, but you got a nice little sample right here. So I'm pretty excited for that sample. I also got the Ava NYC Surf's Up Textured Spray. Now this is something I could actually use. The stuff that I've gotten from them before I'm not a big fan of, but this is for beachy waves and insane volume for all types of hair. So that's actually a really cute little product. It's perfect for traveling or just trying out new things. So I will definitely be testing out that new product. And then the last and final item I got, sweet, the last and final, I dropped the box on the cat. Oops. The last and final item I got is a coupon for a free Hines Mayo, so up to $4.50. So that is right there, my favorite thing. And I know there's a deal on Ibotta, so that's like a double whammy right there. So I'm going to definitely be using that coupon. But yeah, that is all that I got. I like Pinch Me. Pinch Me is one of my favorite websites. Pretty much everybody gets something as long as you answer the questions correctly. You just have to tell them what products you guys do and do not use. And then, you know, just keep your profile updated. I usually try to update it once a week, and it has been a while since I updated it. But I do keep it updated once a week, and then every Tuesday once a month. One Tuesday every month, they give you guys a choice, and if you don't qualify, then sometimes you get a free magazine subscription. So I have never paid for a magazine in the last couple years, and I get tons and tons of free magazines. But yes, I just wanted to share you, look at that, I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my Pinch Me box. I hope you guys join. I do have a referral link below. I don't get anything out of it. I don't even know why they give you a referral link, but if it's easier, you can do that, or you can just go to pinchme.com and sign up for your guys' self. But again, I want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.